Hi boss, I'm Aria from SZGH. Today, I'm here in our robot factory to show you where your robots are actually built. All our products and software are researched and developed by ourselves. This is our professional engineers team. From general purpose robots, welding robots, parallelizing robots to all-in-one robots. Whatever applications you have, you can always find the right solution here with us. Behind me is our assembly line. After components are produced, they are assembled here. All our copers such as supermotors, drivers, reducers, and more are all high-quality components to ensuring that you receive the best quality robots. Here you can see our engineers working on the joint module. Each robot joint is tested for accuracy, torque, and stability. We also run a 24 to 48 hours aging test to ensure the robot performs reliability even under high-load continuous movement. After calibration and testing, the spurning robots will be sprayed at our spraying room. You can choose the color you like. At last, the robots will be packed in these wooden boxes, which are certified for export. 深圳冠宏 Robot Factory, best robots, best service for you.